Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be doing a detailed clean of my dishwasher and microwave. If you're new here, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back.
I've never been sober, always in my head.
First, I'll remove the filter. Now the filter catches bits of pieces of food that may still be on the dishes, and it also prevents the drain from clogging.
Who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
I'll clean the inside of the dishwasher with simply Dawn dish soap and warm water. I'll also get between the hinges with a small detail brush.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when
To clean the filter, I'll use hot water and a soft bristle brush.
I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Let me drown. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just
The brush really did a great job in getting rid of all the soggy bits and pieces. The filter is good as new.
promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown.
I'll return the filter, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the bottom, and fill a mug with distilled vinegar and run the dishwasher on a low cycle.
Drown.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine.
Next up is the microwave. Now the microwave gets cleaned pretty often, but sometimes it needs a detailed clean.
About you gives me hope. Something
Now there's a clip between the plastic panel and the glass of the microwave. So in order to remove the door, I simply insert my flat tip screwdriver, twist, and remove the clip.
dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes.
And this is what the clip looks like. If you look at the left side of the door, you'll notice a lot of grease buildup, and that's because of the door being there and it's not easy to access it. Also, ignore the scratch on the bottom. That's from a popcorn incident gone bad.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down.
Having a detailed brush really helps in getting between all of the hinges.
Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
forget the vents on top because that usually has a buildup of grease. Also remember to unplug it before you attempt to clean those vents.
And up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like...
Now the filters on the bottom is another area that we tend to miss. I clean mine at least once a month, but these had gone through a lot, so I simply bought a new set to replace it.
Could be like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe.
Hot water and Dawn dish soap really does a great job in getting up the grease. Now onto the door, and again there's grease in every area, and I'll just use a soft bristle brush and spray that side with a little bit of awesome spray.
I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better. Oh, yeah.
The work is all done. Time to replace the door and get everything back in the microwave.
Life started a fire. It made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know we're onto something.
And these are the new filters.
And I know we got something good.
I'll finish the process by using the Weinmann stainless steel spray on the microwave and the dishwasher.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know.
And my detail clean is complete. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!